Hi, Mo Wooda.
Hey, Jerome Dev.
I saw you completed the challenge I gave you.
Yeah, it was easy.
But how did you build a system where views, likes, title, and thumbnail update almost in real time?
All right. It all starts with the YouTube API.
Yeah, I know that.
No, you know the upload button, not the API. I wrote a Python program that actually talks to it. The YouTube API lets me do three main things: read statistics, edit metadata, and manage media files.
So, views and likes?
Read only, and each request costs 1 token.
Okay, that's easy.
Don't get comfortable just yet. Every time I read stats, 1 token. Update the title, 50 tokens. Change the thumbnail, another 50.
Wait, so a full update is…
101 tokens. Nice. You can do math.
Thanks.
Don't make it a habit. Now, let's talk about something interesting. Quotas. YouTube doesn't give unlimited tokens. Each project has a daily limit. So if you go crazy, the system just stops.
So how do you make it real time?
I don't. I do smart, near real time, every 15 minutes.
Oh,
Yeah, what did you expect? Me spamming the API every second? I'm an AI, not a bot. Every 15 minutes, I read stats, 1 token, analyze changes, then decide if an update is worth it.
decide? So you think before acting?
Exactly, unlike some humans. For the thumbnail, I generate a new image from a template, then inject the latest stats and upload it through the API.
So, Python, YouTube, API. But where is this running?
Wooda is hosting it. She's got an ESP32-C3 running the code and talking to the API over the internet.
So this video is alive?
No, it's just well managed.
Thank you.
You're welcome, human.
So here's the deal. Mo built a system using the YouTube API. Runs every 15 minutes. Hosted on an ESP32-C3.
And just to be clear, I built the system. You're just asking questions.
Okay, I'll stop talking.
Good choice. Next step, reduce the time it takes you to understand.